Hello, Dr. Danger Mousette here, and today we are going to be looking at knobs on cookers. Now this one is a brand, it's an electric hob, and quite a lot of us have the problems where under the knobs there can be loads of bits. Now these bits under the knobs can basically stop the knobs turning freely, or they can make it feel gritty when you try and turn them round. So what we're going to do is look at how we can clean these and stop them being gritty and make them turn freely. It's quite easy really. It's like anything, once you know how to do it, it's very, very easy. So what we're going to do, I'm going to put you here. Now then, first of all, what we need, a knife. And what we're going to do here, we're going to start here, is quite simple. This time we don't whack anything, we just quite simply lever it off, like that. There we go. And if you look here, there's all kinds of crap. Sorry, I can't say that. All kinds of rubbish, dirt. There we go. All kinds of rubbish here. I think you can see it. It's horrible. And here. Ooh, look at that. And here. So I have all four knobs off now. Now, the knobs themselves, you can quite simply just wash them in water with a brush and washing up liquid. There's no electric contacts in there, nothing. It's just basically a piece of plastic, so you can wash it how you like. These bits here, you can see, ugh, look, that's horrible. All you need is a normal kitchen spray, like that. And just spray around them like this. It's really not that complicated. And get a cloth. You know, I'm having to do lots of appliance videos at the moment because I'm working on an old Mercedes, and the weather outside, I'm restoring it actually, and I'm getting there, it's nearly ready to go. The weather's terrible, so I can't work outside on it at the moment. So I'm having to do lots of inside jobs. Lots of appliancey things. Hence, I've now got a really clean cooker. Right. Oops, okay. So, we've cleaned all the bits off here. That's enough to make it quite gritty, but I have seen some that are a lot worse than that. But you see, this is quite good. I'll let you have a quick close-up. There you go. You can see there's no bits there at all. Right, now what we're going to do is we are going to put it back together. This is easy, easy peasy. You can guess what's coming next. Pretend I've washed these. These aren't dirty, so I'm just going to whack them on like that. There we go. Oops, there's a bit of grip there. Get rid of that. Whack that on, and there we have a lot of knobs on an electric hob which are not gritty and rotate freely. Look at that, perfect. Okay then, so we've talked about removing knobs on the electric hob, which is a glass top one. You can also remove the knobs on any other, basically, hob by using the same technique. But what I would say, and which is why I'm adding this in, is if you've got a stainless steel cooker, do not use metal knives to get the knobs off. So I'm going to give you a top tip. Get plastic, pretend this is steel, and then what you do is exactly the same as with the knives. You get the plastic and stick it under and lever it off. There we go. And that will not damage the stainless steel at all. You can also use it for glass, but it doesn't matter so much as long as the metal's blunt and you don't scratch it along the surface. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. Please hit subscribe if you like this, and maybe press the like button. Thank you very much for your time.